Hey, my name is James Hopper. I own a Nexus Triumph 32T. I'm from Mesquite, Nevada. I've been interviewed from news media, but
oh, yeah?
Kind of the same.
Do we say Nevada or Nevada? What do you say?
Nevada. I guess you go west of or east of the Mississippi, everybody's Nevada. West is Nevada. I've been RVing for about 10 years. What I like about RVing is the ease of travel versus towing a large travel trailer or something like that. The RV is much easier. This is the first RV that I've owned. I really wanted the Ford, so I ended up with the Nexus on the E450. What I really disliked about the RV from the beginning is how low it set to the ground, pulling in and out of gas stations. It scrubbed in the rear. Handling was very rough on the highway, swayed a lot, felt out of control at times. So my search for fixing all the issues started at the dealership the day that I bought it. Talking with the sales manager, their service people up there, they had no resolution. All they pitched was airbags or, something like that. I talked with our local 4x4 shop in Mesquite, and they had done lifts on E-Series vans, but never anything this large. So I kept on searching, found Weldtec on the internet, watched a bunch of YouTube videos, liked what I was seeing, and decided to go with that route. So I made the phone calls, talked with the people here at Weldtec, and here we are. Now we've got a finished product. The test drive was amazing, completely different RV now. It handles better. I didn't scrape anything. I went over some very rough terrain, a lot of dips, a lot of driveway unevenness. The RV handled amazing. It's like night and day different. I highly recommend looking into this lift design with Weldtec. It's everything that the YouTube videos show. I watched almost all of them before committing to this, and it is exactly what I purchased. It done exactly what I wanted it to do. So it comes highly recommended.